everybody, this is Donna with Fig Basket Crochet and Creative, and welcome back to the You Can Crochet micro lesson series. Today we are on micro lesson number 4, in which we are going to crochet the first row of single crochet into the chain stitch. So grab your hook and your yarn. Oh, maybe not the hook yet, hang on. Let's make our slip knot first, which you can see in my previous tutorials. Let's make that slip knot. And look how fast we are at that now. Tighten it just so that your hook can easily go into that loop. And then we are going to make 11 chain stitches. Again, see previous tutorials for the chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so we've got that. Let's count them. But first, let's look at the anatomy of these chain stitches. So you'll see that each chain has 2 loops on the top. The front loop toward you and the back loop facing away from you. And then on the bottom, you'll see a little bump. So each chain stitch, let me turn this way, is comprised of those 3 strands of yarn. The front loop, the back loop, and the bump on the bottom. We made 11 chain stitches because we want to end up with 10 single crochets. And when we work single crochet, we skip the first stitch. All right, so we're going to skip that one, and we're going to be working into the second chain from the hook, which is this one right here. So to do that, insert your hook into the open loop, and then turn your chain over and find that bump on the bottom. Insert your hook this way into that bump, or just under that bump, between the bump and the top 2 loops. See, between the bump and the top 2 loops. Now, you'll notice when I made this chain, in the previous video I talked about going back and forth, stabilizing between your right and left hand. The chain eventually got long enough so that I didn't have to worry so much about stabilizing the chain. But here you're going to be working dividing your efforts between your right hand and your left. The left is going to be putting the yarn on the hook. The right hand is going to be pulling the yarn through the stitch. So you want to stabilize. Right now I need to put yarn on the hook with my left hand. So I'm going to take my right hand and a finger on that right hand just gently on the bottom so that this doesn't go everywhere. Gently stabilize that. With my left hand and the head of the hook facing me, I'm going to yarn under. Now I need my right hand to pull that yarn through. So let's gently grab here with the left, the thumb and one of your fingers, and then with the right hand, I'm going to pull that yarn through just the chain. And let's pull that up a little so we can see we've got 2 loops on our hook. Then I need to put some more yarn on the hook, so let's stabilize with the right hand, yarn over with the left hand. I'm going to have to pull that through with my right hand. So let's stabilize the bottom of the stitch with the left hand and pull that through. And then I've got 1 loop on my hook, and I have 1 single crochet worked into the second chain from my hook. Let's try that again. This gets easier, I promise, and will be second nature in no time. So let's get the hook into the next chain stitch, which you do by identifying that next bump. Turn it back over. All right. Yarn under with the left while I'm stabilizing with my right. Then stabilize with the left. Pull it through just the chain stitch. Look at that. Stabilize with the right. Yarn over with the left hand. And then with the right hand, pull that through both your loops on the hook. And I've got the second stitch. 1, 2. Let's just work through this slowly. Go into the chain. Yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right, into the chain, yarn under with the left, pull through with the right, yarn over with the left, pull through with the right. Now it looks like we're done, but we're not. Let's let the hook rest. Always count your stitches. Always count your stitches. Even with experienced crocheters, we can drop stitches so easily. So let's look at the top here. You'll notice that each stitch has those two loops, the front loop and the back loop. So let's count each set of loops to make sure that we ended up with 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, 10 single crochets. All right, so I advise that you maybe even watch this video several times if you need to. Make a chain of, I don't know, 100, 200. Sit down this weekend and, rest and get crocheting. This will be second nature in no time. You'll be able to do this while having a conversation or watching a movie, just looking down occasionally. So keep going at this until it feels very, very comfortable to you, and it will in no time. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, share with any of your friends who are wanting to learn to crochet right along with you. Thank you, friends. See you next time.